doit y avoir loin des fumées de la ville un bout de plage, un coin de ciel ou une île si loin.
Hello and bonjour from Lyon in France, where I'm about to undertake yet another bikepacking trip, and in fact I'm going to try and finish off what I started last year. So this year I've come back and hopefully I can do a proper tour. Apparently the place where they shot the first film, is it? Bonjour and welcome to Wanna Go Biking. I'm in Hauterives. Wow, here we are, the Palais Ideal. What a structure! Oh my word! I can't think of many better things to do on any given Thursday afternoon. Has to be said. This is lovely. And outside of the tourist season, July and August, it's nice and quiet as well. Bonjour and good morning from San Sebastian near Lyon, where I've just stayed at this lovely hotel. Look like I have a flat tire. Very soft all of a sudden. Well, I think it's about time that I start explaining why I've not been moaning that much today. That's because I have a nice tailwind. That's very nice for a change. Hi and good morning from Remoulin, where I've just left, and as you can see I'm just 20k away from Nîmes. Salut and bonjour from Nîmes. Right, let's have a look at the Cirque de Navacelle. Well, good morning from, I would say cold even, Sainte-Eulalie de Cernon.
De suivre quand la nuit tombe, un vol de colombe, le vent se lève, fais ta valise et prends ton rêve comme un avion. C'est si bon de voir d'un rayon lunaire un coucher de terre.
Hello and good morning from Albi.
Un bout de plage, un coin de ciel ou une île si loin. Si